In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PayPal account to Facebook as a payment method. First, open the Facebook app and log into the account you use for buying ads, marketplace, or subscriptions. Then tap the menu icon in the top corner and scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Next, look for a section related to payments, MetaPay, ads payments, or Facebook Pay depending on what you see in your region. If you're adding PayPal for ads, go to Add Payments or Ads Manager and open Payment Settings. Now tap Add Payment Method. From the list of options, choose PayPal. A new window will open asking you to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your email and password, then tap Login and agree to connect PayPal to Facebook or Meta. Once it's connected, you'll see PayPal listed as one of your payment methods. You can set it as your primary payment method if you want Facebook to charge PayPal by default for ads, in-app purchases, or other payments that support it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.